Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunky Automation YouTube channel. Um, the video today I intend to share with you the application of how to detect a recognition of the license plate of motorcycle or car. But in this project, I don't have enough picture for cars, so I'm doing the project the the license plate for motorcycle only. Um, let's see from the picture. Okay, I have plenty of image from here. I come back to pictures, Python lesson, and car plate, and image. Okay, in the folder I have plenty of motorcycle plate pictures. Then all the picture already labeled by automatic labeling. Okay, normally I don't have time to label thousands of pictures from here. It is around 1,700 pictures. So if I draw it one by one, it takes a lot of times. So my technique is I label manually by around 500 pictures, and after that I get the data set, and then I do automatic labeling application. So I have auto annotate program for license plate here. I make this one specifically for license plate only. Uh, this is extremely nice because you see the detection is very correct. Um, let me the first time I need to open the folder of license plate. If I want to do automatic annotate, I need to select the image, sorry, the dataset, YOLO dataset I already trained, I think number 5, and click. Let me check the correct dataset. Crop and change classes. Version 4. This is version 5. Version 5. Why motorbike plate here? Bad motorbike plate. Then you do auto annotate. After doing auto annotate, on the TXT file is automatically created. And, and use this application and it displays correct license plate from here. From here, you can see the destinations. Okay. From here, you can move each picture to check if the detection is correct or not. If it's not correct, you will save it into the arrow file. Save arrow file here and save last position that you already check. Last time I checked number 10, picture number 10. I could do one by one. It's very clear. I share with you how the techniques for detection of this one. The first time you need to label, I need to make the picture bigger, print screen, to finish and paste in here. Okay, the first time I need to do is, and you know that to resize this picture bigger. Okay, when you resize the picture bigger, you see the first time you need to label on the digit in license plate, and then when you have the position of the license plate, from the position you will have uh, the position from here. Okay, and you also have the position from each digit. By this way, you need to find the center point of each digit. Center point, I write the rest one. Center point of this one. And center point of license plate. So when you have the digit and you have the center point, you need to arrange the matrix on the center point. If it is higher than license plate center point, you will move it to the first line, and another you move to the second line. But from the second line, you need to check which one have example like this. The picture like this is okay. When you have the picture like this, you find which one is it X, is it Y. Okay, which X is smallest? X is the first one, and the second one is here. The first time you need to separate the Y first, and after that you separate X, and you can arrange from X here to here, and after that you get the value from here, 85B1 and 17851. So I start again and move another pictures. In this pictures, you see the YOLO dataset from here. This is the most important, because if you don't understand the YOLO dataset, you will have to do the labeling automatically. So you know that YOLO dataset, it has the first digit is index, the second is center point X, and third center point Y, and width and height of the bounding box. So if you understand the YOLO label setting up, you can create auto annotator easily. In case you see there is some mistake from here, you want to correct this, what you do, you only draw this, draw pictures, and then correct this one, and you can correct this one. Example number 1 is wrong, so you can correct this. You can check from here, and second number 1, that position is correct or not. 0.56, 0.6, 0.02, 0.09. So everything is perfect, nearly the same. So there's nothing wrong with this one. Okay, the video showing the license plate detection now complete. Uh, but I need to make it a little bit 15 minutes read data automatically. This application is used for checking your auto annotator, as well as you can check your auto annotator, make sure it's correct and prepare for training. But you doing this one, you understand how to detect and recognize the license plate inside motorcycle. This application is used perfectly for motorcycle only. I make the separate application, another application for general use, like this one for general use. For general use, any kinds of object. For example, I want to um, data sets up for leaf by car plate cars. I select YOLO dataset. Okay. When I have a YOLO dataset, I will create class first. After creating class complete, I will start auto annotate. Okay, from here I can see 36 classes. Cars, truck, and after having the auto annotators from here, go to documents, test, Innova, reside, select folders. Okay, I have a card here, car number 2. Okay. Car index number 2. Okay, cars. Okay, automatic name annotate cars. It is general program. But another this program is used for specifically because you have for license plate. Now you can see that the automatic annotators program working. So it's very good application used for prepare datasets for YOLO training computer vision system. Thank you very much for your watching. Now let me stop.